Om Shanti. Today we shall see about law of karma. Okay, what does law of karma say? Karma means the action that we perform. In the very first video we were told about who are we, who am I. I am an Atma, I am a soul. A soul, the faculties of the soul are mind, intellect and sanskar. Mind is a factory which produces thoughts. Once a thought is being produced, intellect says whether we can do it or we cannot do it. Then we perform an action. Okay, either what mind said or what intellect said, depending upon the power of the mind or the intellect, the action that is performed is called karma. Karma is basically divided into two types. One is called agarmam, the other one is called vigarmam. The actions that were performed in Satyuga and Treta Yuga are called agarmam. The actions that are performed in Dwapara Yuga and Kali Yuga is called vigarmam. What is agarmam? When an action is performed, okay, if punya or pava is not attached to the sanskar of the soul, it is called agarmam. Okay, in Satyuga and Treta Yuga, everybody is filthy rich. Okay, and they are devatas. Devatas, they are human beings with divine qualities, godly qualities. Okay, there you will not find even a single beggar who will be in need of money. See, if somebody is begging and somebody is giving, only then punya deed can happen. Like okay, there that thing will not happen at all. So there is no chance somebody can give somebody to something to somebody and thereby create punya account. That is not at all possible in Satyuga. Likewise, nobody does a sin there, because in Satyuga and Treta Yuga we live understanding that we are Atma. Thereby we don't have that five vices in ourselves, which creates sins actually. Okay, five vices are lust, anger, greed, family bondage and pride. This will not be there in Satyuga and Treta Yuga. So thereby pava also is not happening in Satyuga and Treta Yuga. Okay, so that is why we say the karma that is performed in Satyuga and Treta Yuga is called agarma, agarmam. That means pava or punya is not attached to the soul. But when we act in Dwapara and Kali Yuga, we forget that we are Atma, we think that we are body, and then we act in Dwapara and Kali Yuga, in 21 births in Dwapara and 42 in Kali Yuga, put to the 63 births. Just because we think that we are body, obviously 5 vihas come into play, 5 vices come into play: lust, anger, greed, family bondage and pride. This comes into play. Got it? So vigarma happens. That means what? Pava and punya gets attached to the Atma. That is in the sanskar. Okay, if you do good deeds, it will be stored as punya. If you do bad deeds, it will be stored as pava in our account. So in this scenario, in this Kali Yuga, whatever that we perform, no, that just like that, it becomes a vikarma. If you try to help somebody, that will come back to you as a problem. I can give you an example. Okay, a person comes to Chennai for a job. Okay, and he gets a job and he is earning a handful of money. He goes to his native village. Let us imagine somewhere in Tamil Nadu. So his neighbor says, see, even our son is jobless, why don't you take him to Chennai and get him a job? He comes to Chennai along with his friend, that is a neighbor, and just because he doesn't know anything, he teaches him driving and he learns driving. Well, the person learns driving and he starts earning some money, and he starts sending money to his family, relatives, etc., etc. You know what happens? After 6 months or so, this boy gets into an accident and is being hospitalized. His family members rush from the native place and starts asking him, see, what did you do? You have put my son into trouble. Now he is being hospitalized. Nobody is worried when he was able to, nobody shared their happiness when he got him a job. And when he's in trouble, he's been hospitalized, everybody start cursing him. This is life. This is what we say, action becomes vikarma. You also must understand there is nothing called karma sannyasi. That means saying simply, right from morning till evening, simply sitting and doing nothing is called karma sannyasi, which will never happen. Okay, hope you like this video. In that case, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.